Hi there, boys and girls. Today we're going to blend words with inflections, E-R-E-S-T, by changing the Y to an I. So let's start. I have these fonts in large fonts for you. So when we're blending, I want you to pay attention to the spelling pattern. We have bumpy, bumpier, bumpiest, white, wider, widest, big, bigger, biggest, chilly, chillier, chilliest, late, later, latest, hot, hotter, hottest. Scroll down. Speedier, thinner, bravest, rumpiest, sadder, sunnier, again, sadder, sunnier. Let's read our sentences. Fran picked a nicer race car than Ken, period. Ken's race car was so much slower, period. Good job blending with me, boys and girls. Continue to practice, 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 practice.